Hello student, in this video I am going to explain you from 9th standard NCERT exercise 13.8 in that 6th question. So the question is a hemispherical tank. So tank is in hemispherical shape, is made up of iron, or you can say iron sheet of 1 centimeter thick. So it has a thickness of 1 centimeter. So let us take here, I'll take one more example here. So this is the tank and it has a thickness. Let us take this is a thickness. This is of 1 centimeter and inner radius. Why inner radius? Because we will have here two circles. So inner radius is 1 meter. Then find the volume of iron used to make the tank. So now see here what is asked, only the volume of iron used to make the tank. It is not asked to find out the volume of hemisphere. So only this you have to metal mass, or you can say in terms of volume, you have to find out the volume, how much volume of metal is used here. So to find out this from full, if you take big circle, so that is what outer hemisphere, then volume of outer hemisphere minus volume of inner hemisphere, if you do, you will get the volume remaining will be what? Volume of metal. So we will write the two measurements here for inner hemisphere and outer. So inner hemisphere volume radius is given 1 meter, that will convert into centimeter because your thickness is given in centimeter. Then outer hemisphere. So from here to here it is 1 meter plus 1 centimeter thickness. So total here it will be 101. So to get the volume of metal, only metal, so from big hemisphere we have to subtract the volume of smaller, that is inside hemisphere. So volume of iron used to make the tank is volume of outer hemisphere minus volume of inner hemisphere. So let us write the formula. Volume of hemisphere formula is 2 by 3 pi r cube minus 2 by 3 here also pi r cube. But here is difference between the radius. So volume of outer hemisphere, that is r2. So its radius will be r2. Volume of inner hemisphere, so we have to take the measurement of inner hemisphere, that is r1. Now see here 2 by 3 pi is common, so r2 cube minus r1 cube. So put 2 by 3 pi I will keep as it is, and afterwards by seeing the values of this two subtraction I will take the value of pi. So r2 is 101 its square minus 100 square, 2 by 3 into pi, so 101 its cube. 101 cube means 101 into 101 into 101. 3 times you have to multiply 101. So finally you get the answer as 1030301. And 100 cube, it is very easy. So see here, square means you will get 00. Then cube means again 2 more zeros. So total here 3 2s are 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So first subtract this 2 by 3 into pi, and here after subtraction you will get answer as 30301. Suppose if you know that this is multiple of 7, then you can take 22 by 7, otherwise you can take 3.14 and you can solve this. 2 by 3 you can take 22 by 7, or you can directly 3.14 into 30301. You can first find out 2 by 3, then multiply that with 3.14 into again 30,301. So finally just you have to do the multiplication and put the decimal point properly, because 2 by 3 it is not completely divisible. So I'll get here decimals, here also decimals, and here also decimals. So first multiply everything, whatever you are getting here, multiples product, and then put the decimal point from the right side. So here you will get 63487.81 centimeter cube. So if you want the answer in meter cube, you can convert this into meter cube. So just see here 63487.81. So 3 cm are there here, cm into cm, that is centimeters. So you must cancel this 3 cm, so that will get answer in meter. So just think, we will write here cm. So you are converting into meter. So how many centimeters make 1 meter? You are going to convert each into 1 meter. So how many meters make 1 centimeter? How many centimeters make 1 meter? 100 centimeter makes 1 meter. Again, this we have to convert it to meter. So 1 meter equals to how many centimeters? 100. Again, last one 100. So whenever you have zeros in the denominator over 1, no need to actually do the multiplication. Just shift the decimal point in the numerator. So first write the digits as it is in the numerator. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the decimal point is here. So you have to shift to the left side from right to left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So one more digit we need here. So we'll put here 0. So decimal point was here. So you have to shift 7 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here 6. So we can put here extra 0. No problem. So this is the answer we got. So centimeter will get cancelled and it will be in meter cube. So this is the approximate answer. So you can take here 22/7. You will get the approximate answer nearly this value only. So this is the volume of iron used to make the hemispherical bowl.